Okay, here's Blanca. She has the name Blanco, but I think her name is supposed to be Blanca. And she is doing just fine. She's just very scared. And she needs to be... She needs to be in a quiet home. And she'll relax after a couple weeks. Hello, pretty girl. Hello. She's very pretty. She has a very nice coat, very thick, plush. And she has a very nice tail. Yeah. You're doing good, girl. You're doing so good. She's come a long way. Yeah, you come a long way, haven't you? Yeah. 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 She's a good girl. Yeah. Look at that. That's the first time she's relaxed enough that she has closed her eyes. That's a good sign. Oh, pretty girl. Good girl.
Blanca is number 175564.